Have you noticed how people are using a single storyboard image to create stunning AI videos like this? These AI videos are getting millions of views across Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Videos like these are almost impossible to scroll past. That's exactly why the algorithm is pushing them across every platform. Every scene naturally leads into the next, keeping viewers hooked until the very end. Well, most people think creating videos like these requires you to be an artist or spend money on expensive premium AI tools. But that's no longer true. Today, I'm going to show you a completely different workflow. Instead of creating every scene one by one, we'll use a single storyboard image to generate smooth, connected AI videos that maintain consistent visuals, camera movement, and storytelling. Even better, I'll give you my AI content creation engine, a master prompt I've built that generates everything for you. From viral content ideas, to detailed storyboards, to video prompts, the entire workflow is automated. The best part? This method makes it possible to create videos that are over 5 minutes long while keeping the visuals, characters, and overall style consistent from beginning to end. If you can copy and paste a prompt, you can create videos like these. All right, let's jump into it. The heart of this entire workflow is one master prompt. It's more than just a prompt. It's a complete AI content creation engine. Simply copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. The first thing it does is generate a list of viral content ideas. If none of them fit your project, just ask it to generate more. Or, if you already have your own idea, simply enter it instead. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this idea. Once you confirm the topic, the prompt will ask a few simple questions to set up your project. First is the total video duration. You can create videos that are several minutes long, but since we're using free AI tools, I'll keep the total length at 30 seconds. Next, choose the storyboard segment duration. Because we'll be using Google Flow Omni Flash, each storyboard will represent 10 seconds of animation. Then select your final video format. You can choose either vertical or horizontal, depending on where you plan to publish your video. I'll go with vertical. Now comes one of the most important settings. You have 3 options. You can use your own character, let the prompt generate one for you, or create videos that focus entirely on the process without showing any character at all. The prompt even recommends the best option based on the type of video you're creating. In my case, I want both. I want my AI character to appear while also highlighting the process. So I'll simply enter 1+3. The prompt now asks me to upload my character reference. Once I do that, it analyzes the character, locks in all of its visual details, and creates a complete project planning summary. This includes everything from the video structure and visual style to the character setup and production plan. Take a moment to review the settings. If everything looks good, simply reply yes. Within a few moments, ChatGPT generates the first storyboard prompt along with its matching video prompt. Since my video is 30 seconds long, I need 3 storyboard segments. So I'll simply type continue until all 3 storyboard prompts and their corresponding video prompts are generated. Now it's time to create the storyboard images. Copy the first storyboard prompt and open a new chat in Google Gemini. Paste the prompt along with your character reference image and click Generate. Within a few moments, your first storyboard will be ready. Download it, then repeat the exact same process for the second and third storyboard prompts until all 3 storyboard images are complete. Now, let's animate them. Open Google Flow and create a new project. Choose the Omni Flash video model, set your preferred aspect ratio, and keep the video length at 10 seconds. Upload all 3 storyboard images. Select the first storyboard, drag it into the prompt area, then return to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Paste it into Google Flow and click Generate. While the first video is rendering, repeat the same process for the second and third storyboard images using their matching video prompts. Within a few minutes, all 3 animated clips will be ready.
Let's make the ultimate crispy chicken burger. Season the fresh chicken breast, coat it evenly in flour, dip it in the egg wash, press it firmly into the panko, ready to fry until perfectly golden.
Now, let's combine everything into one video. Open the first clip and click the plus button to add the second one. If necessary, trim any unwanted sections. Then add the final clip to complete the sequence. And just like that, your entire project is finished. Download the final video, and you're done. Using this same workflow, you can create an unlimited variety of cooking, DIY, repair, crafting, restoration, and many other storyboard-based AI videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI workflows and free AI tools.